Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, like, share, ring that notification bell. This is a gate, a small gate. You hold it like this. I don't know if you can see that. Like this. Yeah. So, for the recent turning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming by to watch my videos. Hey, it's sunny. This one is to cover myself from the sun. So I'm going to the farm to get what do you call it? To get cow feed. We call them cow feed. It's not napier grass, but there's this weed that you cut, then you give it to the cows. So that's what I'm going to do. Others I'm going to get, I don't know where. I have one. We call it a panga. This is a machete. But it's not sharp because the others have gone with the other pangas. So I'm left with this one. This is what I'll be using, and this is the place that I'll be getting the feed. So let me show you how we do it. This one will mix with the napier grass. We chop it with a machine so that you can feed the cows. So let me look for somewhere I can fix the camera. Hey, the things we do to get you content, my people. When people in the village sometimes they think that I'm crazy. So let me do it. Look. This is it. This is what I'll be cutting. I have to cut it so that you don't. If you uproot it like this, it will get to the soil, and the cows. Some doesn't like the soil, so I have to cut it. Yeah. And there is maize, so I have to be careful so that I don't cut the maize. So we do this instead of wasting this weed. We use it to feed the cows. I have to be careful with the maize. I don't cut the maize. The cows love this wheat so much. So when you're cutting, you have to be on this side. You can't cut like this unless you start from here going this way. But you always have to be like this sound. And cut this. This one, this is blackjack. It has, this is blackjack. It has these ones that stick on your clothes like that. Yeah, the blackjack. See, when you press it here, the sticks. But the cows usually eat it. The cows feed. This one I don't know. This one I don't know how it's called. If you know the name, leave a comment down below. This one I know its name in my vernacular, but in English I don't know it's called. There are a lot of blackjack here. See there. I don't know if it's
say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
so. I'm supposed to carry this. You see the blackjack? I was telling you. This one, when it touches your body, start feeling itch. You have to remove this. I have to go and get a nylon sack so that I can carry this one. So let me go and look for one so that you see our maize is almost ready. Hey, look at this one. Let me cut this. This one looks so big. I have to cut this. I want to cut some weed here. Not the weed for smoking, or it is the farm weed. This one looks so good for the cows. So I cut it. I will get it. And this maize, I don't know how they feel. This one I found it already fallen down, so I'll carry it with me. I don't know what happened, but it fell down. It was uprooted. I don't know who did that. So I'm taking it for the cows to eat. To feed on. Is it to eat or to feed? English is not a vegetable, as Mayuguna says. Mayuguna usually say English is not vegetable. So let me go and get a sack so that I can carry. Well, here you have to eat for you to do these jobs, these manual jobs. They are not easy. You have to feed well to get that energy. To get the energy. Energy. Let me place my panga here. Or is it the machine? There. This is where I've been bringing my finger. There. So that we can chop it there. So let me look for the sack. Kanana. When kunia leo ya kamata mate. Kunia. Akamata na. It's not an easy job, as you may think. My mom and another lady and the guy that takes care of the cows, they have gone to cut far at the corner of our land. So I didn't go with them. I decided to get mine just near here. That part I went in the morning, and the maize. You see this part of the maize, when you do like this, it cuts you. Not really cut, you don't feel the cut, but afterwards you start it, especially when you go to take a shower, when you're bathing. That's when you'll feel the itchiness. So I decided not to go there and do mine just near here. I'm getting this one starting, but I'm doing here so that I can carry all of them together. So that I can carry them, all of them together. So I put my sack here. Yeah. Then this is how I carry it. I place my there. I have to carry all this one. Oh la la. You can use a rope or do like this. Let me show you. Hey, the things we do for content. The things we do for content. You see? I don't know if you can see this. I have to carry. Yoke in the feet. This is what I did when you are in primary, high school, until yeah. So see, instead of going around, I can do it there. Hey, wait, it's not easy. But I told you have to eat to be strong to do the job. You have to be strong to do it. See, this is it now. Yeah. So this is it. So you get the lemongrass and you'll chop it here. You mix this with the lemongrass to chop it. You don't have electricity, but you're using the gasoline. Diesel. This is enough for me for today. When they bring the other, it will be enough for the day. Let me sit it. Yes. Guys, that's the way we do it. I'll be showing you how we chop it later when the others come, yeah? Okay, If you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing, like, share, ring the notification bell. I'm talking as I don't. See you in my next video. Bye.